It's difficult. Something I'm not getting exactly. It is the scale of the thing. So I'm making an SVG source. And then, yeah, I mean, it's SVG standardized or something, vector graphics, so the scale doesn't matter, it's just vector graphics. If the scale doesn't matter, I would say I would just pick some random size and then I want to fit everything into it. Yeah, for example, here I'm having starting with the translation. So it is offset X. Is that in pixels? I think it is in pixels, probably. Let's play with this a little bit. Although, currently the offset is 0, I think, for the layer. So I could give it an offset and see how much offset it is actually getting. Maybe I should start with drawing a different object, just some rectangle that is, or a square that is really starting in 0, 0. Just to say, I don't know, whatever coordinate system I'm using for the rest. On search for this first. This is something different, right? Extra. Not to mention, I need to be here. Draw layer region on. Now we are there. That would be this \1. Yep. Replace this as well. That is switch. To draw arrowheads is a special case, maybe. Yep. Need to replace this as well. Excusez-moi. div of the test. Yeah, this can be removed, I guess. Okay, so we create an I don't know what that stands. The S stands for. I want to know. Scalable vector works. Scalable. Okay. So if I call this on the plot and I set the need print flag, then it will also print to the scalable vector graphics service. And this then draws the background grid and the axis and the title and stuff. And then I turn it off immediately again, printing, because then we just want to play with it, drag stuff and stuff. Then at some point I press the print screen button, which causes this to become true. Again, and I guess then it just will print, right? So when you enter at the top. Well, because need print has the same boolean, doesn't it? Yeah. So set need print is called apparently, and then this is true again. Therefore, implemented. Don't even have to do anything here. So assuming everything works, everything is printing, drawing and printing, everything. And then at the end here we have done everything, I guess. And then I can just stop the printing again. So we do it for one frame and then it's turned off again. Let's test this. Well, let's drag something so we know that it actually was waiting until I did drag stuff. Where's the angle of that thing? Oh yeah, should fix that as well. Okay, some shallow S and going down. Now I press the print screen button, and that did. No, I don't see my. Oh, here, start printing frame. Nope. Including running to the SVG. So let's close the window and then see if this wrote something. Well, so 47K, so I guess it did. Inkscape. There it is, with color and everything. And indeed, it's just a shallow S, so it got obviously printed after I pressed that button. Obvious because it printed start printing frame at that point. And everything else is drawn. Looks good as well. Arrows, arcs, circles, everything. Don't have a background though, which is not required for printing, but yeah, it doesn't look very nice. Maybe I should draw, or do I fill the background with a color as well, which is all white. Suppose in all printing all white, should not use any toner. So we might as well start with that. Let's ask Dimini, maybe AI knows. Did it not work here, Mr. Jiminy? Oh, if I added it here. Sorry, I have to add a complete rectangle. The nonsense of it all. Diffs. I don't know, try add it here. Nope. Well, it did fill something with white, it seems, this part. So maybe I just did something wrong with the size there. Ridiculous zoom here. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I just have to make this as big as the previous thing, of course. Yep. Yeah, shall I try printing it? That looks absolutely perfect. Yeah, it printed it nicely centered, using old paper basically. I mean, I don't know how he did it, but the layout is like, oh, we have an A4 piece of paper, and let's do it like this in a very good way. Super sharp. Yeah, no, okay. Might as well make the background white. Thus. And clearly this is 1000 from here to there. So I have no idea why we have this transparent stuff around it here. We have have an infinite amount on every side. It's probably more an Inkscape thingy. Yeah, here it feels let's try this. Nobody knows it. What the hell? Yep. I have a white background. So I'm going to say yes. What is next? Hey, any folding? I can't even remember if I did this before. I would think yes, but these are such common things, you know. It's really annoying if I have to write that again. If I write that myself wrong. No, there's not even C++. I can't say well, the Nifolia definitely never saw, yes, that's correct. Abhishek vaguely rings a bell, but no, I cannot connect it to conversation that we might have had. What would be a good API for this? So I have a file name. I guess I want to test if the file name exists. If it exists, I want to append a number to it. So one method is that it just adds parentheses open, some number, parentheses close, just before the extension, before the dot of the extension. And if that already exists, it makes it the next number, you know. Yeah, people, you're not the only one. People that have questions usually ask something that is completely unrelated to what I'm doing. And that if you ask what distro I have, well, Arch, but some people ask a question which they would be better off Googling. So more general. An ultimate adventure, yeah, I don't know, man. I could try, but I would rather find something that already exists. So I not really know what to search for though. The most annoying thing is that I feel that I must have done this already before. At some point in the past. And if not me, then of course 1,000 other people. Okay, I'll ask ChatGPT. But the point is I have used ChatGPT for a long time, and then I cancelled my subscription for ChatGPT 4 because it was just too bad. So now I only have 3.5 and then it's so bad. It's just a waste of time. I think I'm going to waste my time. But yeah, on the other hand, it is something that should have been done for often. Maybe it comes up with something that I like. I don't know. Oh, do your right extension like that. The stem is something that exists. Ah. It returns a file name identified by the generic format path stripped of its extension. What does that mean? It just removes the extension. So definitely not correct. And what the hell do I need for boost? I don't know. Something. I think it boosts just like everything. Oopsie. Yay! Okay, this one worked. Pretty cool. So maybe I should add this to my utils. Although then it's kind of dragging in boost file system. I don't think it does that already. Not 100% sure, but let's have a look. Package boost required. Oh yes, it does. Although I'm definitely not specifying yet that we need file system. Yeah. I think this just allows all the headers. But they're just pure headers. Yeah, where else do I add it? Hi, Ninja. So does anyone know how to run the Clang format in Vim? Completely forgot. I think I have it installed. Something like capital Clang format or something. That's it in one. Oh, okay, that's nice. Do I still have my cons on the wrong side? But yeah, there remains a problem, must say, that I don't want utils to be linked against boost file system all the time. Only when I then actually need this function. Or, even better, if the top project is linking with it or using it, then this could be included. How the hell would you find that out? Well, I could just test if boost file system exists or something. And then set, I don't know if that said something. How would I include it anyway in CMake? Keep asking ChatGPT, I guess. How to drag in boost plus boost file system in CMake. To test components file system. I don't have it. Well, actually, then I would add it here, but let's have a look then at again utils CMake. So here I had the boost included, like here, find package boost required. Yeah. If you then add components file system, that question is that detectable? Preferably compile time detectable. Nah, that's not going to work, man. Oh, it's not going to work. Well, I'm not sure if it's not going to work. It could actually work if I put it in... okay, let's ask. Is it possible to detect that one did as opposed to in the CMake list .txt file of the in the root of the project, while inside the CMake list.txt of a subdirectory of the project. Okay. Does CMake define something when a file system is found, detected? So what we can do is in utils, we are here, right? Let's try this here. Oops. it's not endive. Totally endive. So we run configure here, then it's going to configure utils. At some point, configuring. Let's save utils here. And I don't see it print that it was detected. Obviously not. Found boost. So CWDS is already testing for boost. Right, okay. Anyways, now we're going to add to the root of the file also test for boost. Because, yeah, then we can make an exception for including more, as it were. So the trick was this. It's not really required from this point of view here. So now we have ta-da! Ta-da-da-da-da-da. So now it is in the root, is found boost and file system. And then in utils, we know that that was found. So now I can do in utils cm, when this is found, I can set, well, I need to set then some kind of define. The define must then be visible also to everyone who uses it. So that needs to go into the configure of utils. I have a utils config h.in. Yeah, let's add it here. These are like I don't know, just add it here. yeah. And then how do I set it? Is the question. Magically, I suppose. Let's rely on magic here. That is, I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, it has it defined now, so that seems to work. But to test it really, we have to also remove it here. And configure again. Yeah, no, it's not set. So this works pretty cool. So now I can move this test that I had, X test, how was it? This one. Let me have a look at it again. Let's call this, no, I don't like that. Sorry, but I just use this snake case for the function names. My own style. Okay, whatever. Yeah, that doesn't look like. I don't know. Clang format did, but yeah. Just config.h should pick it up. What do you think? Is this going to work? Target source. Here's something. Totally forgot what, how, or everything. Yes. I do with spaces, do I not? Yep, I do spaces. Is not enough. We have to link with it. Yeah, I don't know. What is the target there? File system. Guess. Maybe it doesn't exist. Let's test it. File system. Nobody knows what that is. Target was not found, basically. No, that dropped it. Capitals. Mysterious. Magically it works. Everything links. It's almost as if I know what I'm doing. Almost. So now we have that function, yeah. Linking with it. Hopefully just once. Everyone's linking with it. And now it's required because Utils is using it. At least I only see it once. Now let's first test it. Let's first test it, as in I want to have multiple SVGs. So that ain't that easy, actually. It ain't easy at all. Do I make it myself too difficult again? No, it's not working. Config.h not found. Well, someone is including it. Isn't it? Aren't they? It's actually being done right there. It is being done in CWS sys.h. Yeah, duh. think I just have to do this. Probably. Don't include everything. To do automate is too. Well, that's a to do. So let's just edit, generate something. But well, if I don't include this, then this is not defined, therefore we don't need string. Haha. In fact, okay, so now this already exists. So if I run it again, then it should, well, make one with the 1 behind it. Was it going to remove this? So let's run that one thing that I cannot even find back in my history. Oh, this. Blip. Move. Well, let's print something. I mean, I want a curve. Come on, give me a curve. And then print screen, and then escape it, and then and there it is, the new file at the bottom. Yep. And if you run it again, well, I can just exit it. It's just created anyway. Now we have a 2. How cool is that? But in reality, I wanted to do this because I want to do a service finish when I press when I press print screen. And then you can't write to the same file, so then immediately I would have to recreate a new service for a new file name. So I can press print screen multiple times, and then it should generate a new file for every time I press it. But if I do that, I lose my initialization. What is the background? That is the grid and the title and stuff. That would have to be yeah, I don't know. Regenerated. No, that's not super important. I just want to print a chess diagram, period, and then continue with other stuff. So let's commit this. Yeah, might as well leave it in. Git commit everything. Add support for printing to SVG file. I'm not using this, am I? Don't think I was using it. No, it's not even, it wasn't even found. So the utils. Status here. Add. I hate it, but you can't commit stuff without looking at it again. Ah, looks sane. And this looks sane because, you know, it just looks sane. I looked at it here, there. Get diff also required. Brilliant. Right, true. I didn't push utils. I just pushed it. The cairowindow wasn't pushed. That's more than just not pushed. I'm not using it yet, but maybe I probably will at some point. Let's remove some stuff. That one, don't know. What's in test? Cairo stuff. Yeah, we'll finish testing that. Oh, git commit. Right. Now let me think. I have now. Yeah, well, I think I'll just have to add a chessboard now. Right. Object, as it were. Let's call it chess diagram. So I just put everything in chess instead of here, in order not to pollute it. I think it's better. Theoretically, I would just go in this directory, but the problem with putting it in its own directory is, however, that then I need a new CMake test, CMake text, test text, CMake list test dot text. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, this one I said it. CMake list dot text, and so on and so on. And of course also a new header. No, wait a minute. New include? Nah, not really. Just tests will need it. Let me think. Nah, in the end, you just, you just have to do it. What else can we do? Did I not do it for draw as well? If I did, I can copy it. No, I did not. Holy moly, why did I not do that? I did do it for symbolic, I think. Yep. So I can just copy this, and then we have a good start for that CMake list.txt file. Make their chess. Okay, copy that file to chess. Edit it also, I guess. VI chess. Well, whatever. That's necessary options. Symbolic printing. Okay, well, don't have an option. No, don't have an option for chess. No, I think so. No option. Specify util specific configure file. What the? I think I copied it from utils. This is just the comment is wrong. That's probably for like the cairowindow. Symbolic specific then. Oh yeah, of course. It's just to get that option. Symbolic specific. So we don't have that either. No options, new config file. Build object library, there's blah 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 blah. So symbolic is going to be renamed to chess, I guess. Add library chess object lib. Tell sys.h that you have what we don't. So glop all the header files, lazy. The list of source files. Yep, we don't have any, but soon we will have something. Let's say diagram. Chess diagram, but yeah, you know. The chess is going to be a namespace or something. Don't want to repeat it. Required include search path. For sys.h and debug.h. Yeah, that's probably required then. Required support C++20. I'm going to use utils. Well, I don't know. Maybe. Why is it public? It's kind of nonsensical, isn't it? I think this is also an object directory. Might as well make it private. I'm going to make it private. And this is at okay. And we have an executable or a test suite, which you don't have yet. I'm not sure I'm going to make one. Let's comment that out for now. Now let's see what happens if I compile it like that. Just works. Right, so I need a diagram then. IHS/diagram TXX, which of course starts with include sys.h. And then include diagram.h. What the fuck is this? Oh, on Spotify listening to something labeled non-vocal. Girl, guess. To put it in cairowindow, obviously. Something. I think you have to put something in it. Not even sure. You know what? Let's add a constructor. And then define that here instead of the dummy. So we can actually test that this file is linked. Even better, I'm not going to link it until I see the error and then make it work. So then I know that it is linked. It's kind of stupid to keep using shortest arc length as test. Maybe I need a new test here. Obviously need a new test, which is again a shitload of work. And I'm doing two things at the same time maybe. But okay, I'll add it just this once to here. But that must be reverted afterwards. So we do include. So fix me. Remove this. Include chess diagram .h. And then maybe try to instantiate it as well. Using namespace keywords not used yet. Well, okay. Blah. Oops. Chess diagram. Let's not compile. Totally does not compile because the file is not found. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's true. I'm not including cairowindow even. So cairowindow here, cairowindow symbol, cairowindow chess. Public. Compile and does not link. So we have our error. Now I want to make this work again by fixing it as follows. I do have diagram here already. I think it is handy if I start with including the whole subdirectory. To begin with. Cheers. Yeah, then we're still not linking with it. I guess I should have to add it here, right? Did I call it? Yeah, it's of course the same thing as the. Okay, I can't type. Symbolic. If you link with symbolic, then we know you also have to link with chess. Undefined reference to diagram still, and that is because object libraries in CMake do not automatically propagate, so you have to add them everywhere. In this case, it might only be needed in this test. So we do tests CCM. So the shortest arc length here has a symbolic, and I probably need to repeat the chess only here, otherwise you will have to add it everywhere. That is the other option, or Possibility rather. Oh, this already compiles. Good. Now I need to make a new test, right? Especially for the chess. Let's start with the copy. The latest one. Tests / chess .cxx. Going to hold it a little bit longer. Let's make it a chess diagram .cxx. So I can copy this, rename shortest arc length to chess. Arc length 2. And then this one no longer has to be linked with chess because I'm going to remove it. I think that just worked, right? Oh. Yep, just a duplicate. Yeah, this is just an alias, which was by typing a resource, it figured out that this new test now exists, and then it made an alias for me automatically. So let's edit that thing then. Or chess diagram. It's all the biggest problem is always the headers, you know. What will I still need and what will I not need? No clue. Probably should delete everything. This one can go, I think. I need a window. I need a layer. I don't need a plot. I don't even know what matrix is anymore. Delete. Quadratic energy, no Bezier curves inside. Let's not draw anything except a chess diagram. So this one goes here. An AI alert, I think, is something that is just, yeah, that just belongs to the framework. Typical OC operators might as well stay. Color pool, the hell am I using that for? I think only for points, so they can also go. Thread, seriously? I have a standard thread maybe somewhere, yeah. The event loop, which I probably still need. Yes, of course. And IO stream, I guess. Okay, probably, you know, updated headers here. And then let's make the diagram a little bit lower, like instead of the plot. Create and draw chess diagram. Very optimistic. I don't want my reject layer anymore. Yeah, I'll delete it in a second. A background layer. I'm totally happy actually with this single layer, but could make a single layer, just background layer, draw everything in there. Gray. Where does gray come from? I think it's white. It's like literally says white here. I guess the second argument of the constructor of plot is a style, plot style, plot area style. So I'm going to need a chess style, right? Chess diagram style. I probably also want a geometry. So let's, I don't know why this thing gets a window geometry, but and then we have some kind of style. And then why not copy everything? A title. And then again set stuff on it, or maybe pass it just to the style. For example, set if you want coordinates or not. Let's just fantasize that it works. Dot coordinates is true. What's that true there? Keep ratio. Yeah, definitely want my just diagrams to be square, not elongated in one direction. That would look horrible. So I think that true can be deleted. It's just always true. Color pool. See, color pool is only required for the points. I don't have a point style anymore. Text style. Maybe I do have a text style now I think about it. Yeah, we need a text style for the coordinates and stuff. I'll do it's more like something I have to pass to the diagram constructor then, I think. Don't need to these things create a point. Nope. It's not create points. I already have my diagram, right? Yeah. Let's just begin with an empty diagram. So I don't think I need anything else. No sliders, no rejections. All true. Need print. Start printing frame. We can keep that one. Keep that one. Draw all kinds of other stuff which you actually don't draw. No, that's it, I think. One chest diagram, except of course that the diagram itself is not working whatsoever. It is not going to compile. This is not going to compile. And so on. Plus the whole set neat print makes you think that maybe plot and chest diagram should be derived from the same base class, which handles printing. aka the create SVG service, and the set neat print is very much exactly the same. Okay, let's see where this goes wrong. If I type make no matching constructor. Yep. So I'm having a plot here, and now we're having a chess diagram. Should all the styles in draw? Maybe. I think this cairo window here came from the fact that I had two rectangles. I have two rectangles, right? Because I have one in cairo window and I have one in draw. But this is in cairo window, and then is it this one? Yep, we have one in draw here. But I'm not doing using draw or anything. Just we are in cairo window. Just use cairo. Can just use the rectangle. Why not? Plot area style. No, plot area. Gone with the plot area. Let's call this just a diagram style. Yeah, whatever this is going to be. It also needs to be derived from multi-region, I think. They're very much alike. Plot area and chess diagram. So actually I should just include the diagram.h instead of diagram style. Let's start here. Okay, let's just do the style for now. These things have defaults, of course. If you don't say anything, then it's going to be whatever the default is. So, do I want coordinates by default or do I not? Let's say not, being, you know, sure the default is not. And then I need to where's multi-region defined? In multi-region.h, which is not included here. So a layer region includes multi-region. Seems unlikely. Doesn't. Strange. Draw multi-region.h. Oh, wait a minute. Multi-region is defined in draw multi-region? Right. Draw multi-region. Yeah. And here we have inside draw multi-region. Nobody gets it. Anyway, it's draw. So yeah, I'm going to need a class called gesture diagram in draw, I suppose, which is then derived from multi-region. Okay, I know, but I don't know. Let's just compile, see where it goes wrong. Draw chess diagram style not found. That's correct because I decided to put that in just chess diagram. No matching constructor for initialization. Not passing the title. I thought I have that. I copied it from plot, which obviously, well, plot area. No. This one, plot. Copied it from the wrong one. Okay, a title is passed like standard string. Yeah, I suppose you can have a chess diagram without a title. In this case I do pass one, but we also need a constructor without one. And how did plot solve that? Still pretty empty. Just a matter of initialization. No, everything is being passed to plot area. Just a draw. We do have a title. Is this filled in by the style? Let's say no, it's not. Plot area styles pass to the plot area. Just to the plot area. Axis geometry. Geometry, comma. Axis line width. That's a style. Oh, I hate code duplication. It looks like I just have to copy this. Except for the margins, everything is the same, however. Yeah. On the other hand, this alignment is in order to get sharp lines on my screen. It's a pixel adjustment. Yeah, I probably still want it to be sharp on my screen anyway. I probably just want it to be multiple of 8 even. Or the width anyway. Yeah, okay. The calculation is going to be different. So I'll just copy the whole function and call it axis geometry as well. Pretty sure something is not right here. Some kind of smart adjustment for the geometry, isn't it? But the geometry is just a window geometry. And I want to have a square board to... Okay, well... The stop left's changed. is diagram.h override, no override, what? No, it's draw, dude, it's draw. Plot area, probably, so we're talking about GS diagram in draw against draw slash plot area. Override. Draw regions on, is that the only one? Oh, that's not much. Private, the bottom. Title. We don't have a draw text here. Yeah, what? Oh, okay. Never mind. Oh, this is inside rule, so we need a cairowindow here. Need the access color. I mean, there's parentheses missing here, but there's need more parameters probably. The chest diagram is the same as the plot area, isn't it? True plot area, yep. Takes a geometry and then style. What? Okay, style. Constructor for cairowindow chest diagram must be explicitly initialized. Initialize the member chest diagram. No member named create SVG service. Hmm. Blink, blink. I'm not linking with a boost, I suppose, but or tapping it wrong. HPP. It's HPP. Great. Undefined references. Yeah, we have a lot of those. Create SVG source. Just diagram. Plots defines it. Oh, yeah, I wanted to make that a base class. Let's call it printable or something. I think I'm going to eat at this point. Just, I mean, it's going nice and stuff, but it can go on for hours. It feels like it. And it's 8:30, and I still didn't eat dinner. So let's go do that. The chess pieces will have to wait, I'm afraid. I'll be back later.